Within this chapter and in the next 10 minutes, I want to talk about examples where our products help customers to streamline their processes with fast and slow curing adhesives. Hopefully, this will be of interest for you and inspire to find solutions for your individual challenges. From my point of view, as an application engineer, each application is unique and requires cooperation and engineering efforts to be optimized. So I can only encourage you to get in contact to us if you want to streamline your process with one of our adhesives. There is a broad range of adhesive solutions across the bonding continuum, from pressure-sensitive adhesive tapes with low load capabilities up to structural adhesives in different forms and different chemistries that can carry heavy loads and resist harsh environments as required in aerospace. Each application has got its individual strengths and benefits, and some might fit the process requirements best, but are out of scope from any other aspect, such as bond strengths or resistance criteria. Today, we will focus on examples of two-part epoxy paste adhesives. I would like to explain our examples and their process savings on the process steps shown on this chart. As a first example, I would like to start with a simple bracket bonding operation, the picture on the upper right. A classical area where room temperature curing two-part paste adhesive find applications, as heat curing or alternative curing mechanisms are mostly not an option. The objective of this operation is to position and to bond little brackets such as nut plates, cable ties, standoffs, and so on to a structure. And of course, combined with high bond strengths to resist the harsh environments and the potential loads. Challenges of these operations may be how to apply the adhesive to the bracket in the right quality and quantity, and how to position it most efficient at several different spots. As well as, and maybe more important, how to fix the brackets until the adhesive is cured, as this operation is mostly done in vertical position. And at the end, how to remove those fixtures. Our solution has been developed in cooperation with our customers and is called 3M Scotch Weld Bracket Bonding Adhesive EC7202BA. What is special on this two-part paste adhesive? Let's have a look at the individual process steps and focus on the most significant ones. The product has been designed to be mixed and applied full automatically. This can save time in step 4 and 5, so mix and apply adhesive, if you compare it to manual operations. But more important, our customers could remove the fixation step of their processes, as the adhesive keeps the bracket in place on its own. We call it an instant hold feature, which provides huge benefits in process step number 7, fix parts. And we will come to this point in a little demonstration on one of the next slides. And finally, the product has been designed relatively fast curing, so that step number 8, cure adhesive, can be shortened significantly. To give some numbers, the product has got an 8-minute work life, and next operation steps can typically start around 2 hours after mixing. To shortly sum up, EC7202 is a fast curing two-part epoxy paste adhesive designed for bracket bonding operation, as it will eliminate fixation of brackets. Sorry. As a second example, I want to talk about liquid shimming. Unfortunately, we do not have a picture on this chart, but I will try to explain it verbally. The objective of this operation is to fill mismatch areas between bigger composite parts before the joining step, for example, in rib-to-skin constructions. And the function of the shims is to reduce stress of the assembly and so early fatigue cracking failures. Today, this is done with hard and liquid shims. The challenge of these operations are that on one hand, the shims have to be, let's say, customized before joining, so a lot of effort. And on the other side, that liquid shims are typically qualified to fill gaps only up to 1 millimeter. Our solution is called 3M Scotch Weld Advanced Liquid Shim EC7272BA, which has been as well developed together with our customers to streamline their processes. And it got as well one unique feature. Let's have a look to the process steps. Like in the first example, the product has been designed for use with a static mixer. So use in either dual pack cartridges or with pumping and dosing equipments. Means that improvements can be done in the area of mixing number 4 and apply adhesive number 5. The unique feature of this product is that the product is qualified to fill gaps up to 2.5 millimeters, and therefore process step number 6, joint parts, can be significantly improved. In most cases, this will allow for an injection process, which is much faster and much more efficient. And the product has been designed to cure relatively fast at room temperature. So number 8, cure adhesive. In numbers, the process step can be done, or the next process step can be done around 4 hours after mixing. To sum up, EC7272BA is a fast curing liquid shim qualified for gaps up to 2.5 millimeters, which allows for injection shimming processes. And important to know, if the work life of 30 minutes is too short for your application, we will launch a similar product with longer work life this year. So look out for the launch of 3M Scotch Weld Advanced Liquid Shim EC7200BA. And these have been only 2 examples where our products can help to optimize throughput. And there are much more in our portfolio. The products listed here on this chart cover applications like structural or non-structural bonding operations, the liquid shim, composite and sandwich panel edge sealing operations, bracket bonding, insert bonding and insert potting operations, as well as interior panel bonding operations like ditch and pot and mortise and tenon joints. The chart shall give an overview of Airbus qualified adhesives, including their names on the left and typical cure times in the middle, like work life, time to handling strengths, and time to load strengths. And one related material specification. Most of the products are qualified to more than one material specification, so I have different individual product specifications established. If you need to know if one of our products is qualified to your individual required specification, I can encourage you to check our specification support portal on our homepage or directly get in contact to us. And now we will come to the little demonstration of bracket bonding. Within this video, we are comparing the performance of a standard adhesive on the left and our EC7202BA on the right. As you can see in vertical applications, the brackets of the standard adhesives are slumping down after a while, so it requires fixations. While the bracket on the right remains in position and it's working without fixation. So you could see how the adhesive can be applied easily from a 50 milliliter dual pack cartridge with our EPX system. And here a demonstration about the fast curing behavior, because handling strengths, the first loads can already be attached 1 hour after mixing.